isa sa mga malaking mama. Number 19. And layup. Seconds remaining time. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Huli! Number 4, Maya. Good. 2 points for Maya. 14 Mobililo, number 10. One-handler shot. Good for 2 points. Maya, number 4. Cross-court pass for Junella. Upo ko lang 3. 3 points. 18-24. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Ang layup. It's good. Another layup for stolen for Timo Iloilo. Number 3, Banyes. A small bat. Tira ball. Pinagpagpag. Johnson, number 5 for Team of Antique. Bounce pass for number 4, Maya. Up and under. Good. For 2 points for Maya. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for this for the second quarter. A jumper from the 18th foot. That is stolen. Number 3, Banyes. 22-34. Stolen for Team of Antique. Quick cross. And a layup. Supal pa yung tapos yung ating second quarter. Pero wala pang naidadagdag for both teams. Perimeter jumper. Yes, sir! Score. We have 13 seconds on the shot clock. Number 6. Kick out pass. A jumper. No. Secure for Team of Antique. Number 6. Good for 2 points. Good for 2 points for John Mianes for Team of Iloilo. But for Team of Antique. Pang! At Mianes, number 8. Nice pass. No. At Carcino, couple of fake. Inside pass. Inulitan. Pang! Stolen, lilipad! Stolen for La Pastera, for Team of Iloilo, Sandy for Nabo, quick cross! That's a jumper! 3rd quarter, 26-43. But there's a foul. There's a foul for Team of Antique.
Emergency number 7, call for a pushing foul.
Eight seconds on the shot clock. 9 minutes and 40 seconds. But it's stolen for Team of Iloilo. Banyes lilipad. Boom! For 2 points for Banyes. Iloilo. Number 8, John Mianes. 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Number 3, Banyes from the top of the cave. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Maya, number 4. I-create ng espasyo, Maya. 2 points for Maya. Jumper no. Number 15, good for 2. Another pass break for team. 7 minutes and 41 seconds. 32-48. Team of Iloilo, uploader! 34-52, we have only 7 minutes to go. A jumper, yun na naman! Good for 2! 36-52, favor for Team of Iloilo, stolen by Joso. Number 5 against Banyes, puts it up and puts it in! At yung bawi ng Batang Banyes for Team of Iloilo, too strong. 18 seconds on the shot clock, a pump, number 19 in the jump. But there's a call for a charging foul para sa team ng Iloilo, number 19. Number 4, Maya, basketball foul, at may kauban ng foul. Yan ay pass, break pass, Banyes, number 3, easy 2-point for Team of Iloilo. Short. At number 10, the big boy. He passed to the wrong man, is stolen for Joso. 4 up against 2 situation. Pang! Good. Iloilo. At recover para sa team ng Antique. Rodillion, number 6, a layup. It's good! Number 10. At yung Maya for Team of Antique, pass, big pass for number 6. What a pick! Isa sa mga malaking mama! Huli! At rejected by Maya. Binawian ng Batang Maya yung sapal ng Rodillo ng Arsino kanina. 54 seconds. 50-55. Lumalaman po ng 3-point for Team of Iloilo. Maya outside jumper! Pang! 3 points. 53, 55, 2-point lead. Matatapos yung ating third quarter. Pero yung La Pastora! Boom! Boom! Basket for 3 points! 53-58. Maya, number 4. Ng Iloilo. 54-58. Lumalaman po ng 4-point. Para sa grupo, La Pastora step back, send it for number 8. What the pass! Good! 4 points! 10 seconds on the shot clock, Joso. Kick out pass, stolen for Team of Iloilo. Number 2 for number 3, Banyes. Good! 4 points! Pagtikin itong number 8. 8 minutes and 35. 54-62 our running score. Maya lilipad! Aling ng 2-point. La Pastora, number 2. Bounce pass for number 19, Banyes. Perimeter jumper. Banyes from the 15-foot. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. 56-66. score pa rin para sa grupo ng hometown. John Mijares drive. Up in under. For 2 points for John Mijares. Pero yung Maya. Malakoy. 61-70. 9-point lead for Team of Iloilo. Number 15. Nice pass. Saloga. We have only 5 seconds shot clock. Number 2, La Pastora. Taken for Panyas, number 19. Too strong. Pero bumabagsak yung dalawang player ng team ng Iloilo. Dalawa sila. Manggaan sa ere at bumagsak. Seconds, La Pastora. No. Number 10. At number 4, stolen for Panyas. Utma.